What is a temporary appointment of guardian? Most people are familiar with a long-term appointment of guardian, and that's where you would name an individual in your will or another freestanding document who would raise your children if you're unable to. But let's just plan out the situation that you and your spouse go out to dinner one night and you are in a car accident and you're sent to the hospital. And maybe you've left your children with a babysitter. Well, eventually the police will go to the house because the babysitter will call the police when you don't come home, or the police will get word of it first and go to the house. Now, what would happen to the children? Here's the thing. The babysitter does not have authority to stay with your children. Massachusetts provides that only blood-related adults can stay with minors when parents are unavailable. So what would happen is the police would look for anyone local 20 to 30 minutes away to come and stay with your children. And if there were no one, or maybe if you had appointed a long-term guardian, but they lived in another state and they couldn't arrive to your children in a short enough time, that's when Child Protective Services is called in, because the police cannot leave your children alone and they cannot leave your children with an unrelated adult. So what do we do for that? We create something called a temporary appointment of guardian. And that's where you appoint friends, neighbors, anyone local, the longer the list, the better, who you provide authority to stay with your children in the event that you or your appointed long-term guardian cannot be with your kids. So we prepare this as one of our documents in a full kids protection plan. And if you'd like to learn more about that, just reach out to me. Thank you.